Hello guys, welcome to Modern Home. This video I am talking about awesome and high-tech kitchen gadgets in 2020. So stay connected to us. Before we started, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Don't forget to leave a like. Okay, let's start. Number 7.
Number 5.
Inirv React is the world's first intelligent stove safety device that attaches directly to your existing knobs and recognizes potential threats, turning your stove off before it's too late.
Inirv React uses a combination of sensors and electronics within these units to turn your stove off when a hazardous situation is detected or before one even arises. Attach your existing knobs to the device or use them as your new knobs and place a sensor unit on the ceiling above. This unit is the brains of the device and houses a gas sensor and smoke detector, which when activated signal the knob unit to turn off the burner. This unit also contains a motion sensor that's linked to a timer in the knob unit. You select the time interval you want using the touch sensor, or you can use the default setting. If no motion is detected in the vicinity of your stove during that time interval, the knob will activate and turn your stove off.
Inirv React's novel design allows it to work on any gas or electric stove and attach to knobs of all shapes and sizes. And if you're away from home, the smartphone app allows you to check whether your stove is on and turn it off if needed. You can even adjust the temperature of your stove to ensure your food doesn't overcook.
Number 4.
Mellow lovers, we heard you. Introducing Mellow Duo. With modular design to feature either one large vat for a big family or 2 vats to cook your entire meal, including sides, perfectly. Mellow Duo helps cook delicious food for our busy lives. With only a 30-second setup, you can cook multiple meals simultaneously while you're away. Unlike other sous vide machines, Mellow Duo chills the water so your ingredients stay fresh while it waits to cook your food. So you don't have to rush home to prepare your meal. Mellow Duo will know when the time is right to start cooking your food depending on your set ready time. When you get home, you have a perfectly cooked meal ready to eat, or give it a quick sear for that perfect finish. And with built-in Wi-Fi, Mellow Duo allows you to control your cooking even when you're away. So if you're running late, you can keep your meal hot and ready for your new arrival. Mellow Duo even has artificial intelligence that will learn to cook to your liking based on your preferences. It truly is like having a personal chef at your fingertips. Mellow Duo. Great meals, effortlessly.
Number 3. Number 2. Number 1.
Food is something that we connect and build friendships through. And we took a look at the marketplace and realized that there are opportunities for us to create an elevated culinary experience. So the Smart Cooker is this magical device. It's a pressure cooker at its heart, but it's a pressure cooker for the future. We've taken all the benefits of pressure cooking, which, stripping down to its barest elements, is trapping steam at a really high temperature to create this tender result in about 70 to 80% less time than conventional methods.
In terms of pressure release, we developed an automatic pressure release where at a push of a button, the pressure will be released and the steam will come out. So the user will not have to go near a button that manually releases the steam.
This is a multifunctional device that can do so much more than just cook. It can bake, can steam, it can sear. The options are almost limitless.
The process starts with, we conduct this design research for a couple months, and we understand most of the people are looking for flexibility. They want to learn more. They want to find that discover moment. Food is really complicated matter. It's not only for surviving. There's something inside every human which pushes us to create that connection with our food.
The most important property that we're trying to achieve is a positive user experience and a flawless guide to the cooking experience. People want to use an app, they want a friendly environment, they want ease of use.
So one of the coolest features about the app is our guided cooking, which enables users to browse through a wide menu of recipes.
Even if you've never been in the kitchen, pick up a Chef IQ product, pair it with the app, and you'll be able to cook whatever you want. I believe with Chef IQ, we're trying to make the process a little bit less intimidating, and that's exactly what guided cooking is. Step-by-step instructions with videos where we're holding your hands all the way through plating, more or less.
The smart cooker has some very innovative properties to it. Amongst them is built-in scale. That allows the app and the device to measure how much ingredients is actually put into the pot. So the user will take that unknown out of the equation.
And for the people who want to discover more, we have this calculator.
And the idea behind the calculator is for somebody that already knows how to cook, but they need to know what time or temperature or the cooking parameters that they should set their device to. And the other feature is what we call the smart bar. It's a control center where everything that is happening with your hardware, you can keep track of what's going on, how much time you have left, what's the temperature right now, pretty much monitor everything that is going on.
We are testing a lot. Like every step we complete a process, we bring it out and ask the people and get their feedback.
And then that's where we thought that it was very critical to introduce over-the-air updates, which means that we will constantly update the smart cooker in order to make it sure that it learns how to do new things.
Although you've already purchased the product, you get that benefit over the lifetime of the product to see those upgrades and take advantage of those upgrades without spending any more money.
And the time frame that we did this project for a bigger company would certainly be a huge challenge. And for a small company to accomplish what we've done over the last 2 years is simply incredible. Our vision is to create many products that will together form an ecosystem.
It was really important to us that we didn't incorporate technology for technology's sake, and that there was merit to the value that we were bringing forward. And we're very excited to bring Chef IQ to the market and to show off to the world the years of effort that we've put into this project. And we hope that you enjoy it as much as we think you will.